हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू बेस्ट इंग्लिश क्लासेस। मैं हूं डॉक्टर प्रतीक और आज हम कर रहे हैं आइल्स स्पीकिंग की प्रैक्टिस। हमारे साथ हैं आइल्स एस्पिरेंट भव्या। हम इनसे एक क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे एंड लेट्स सी हाउ शी रिस्पॉन्ड्स। सो योर क्वेश्चन इज डिस्क्राइब अ डिफिकल्ट डिसीजन दैट यू वंस मेड। What the decision was, when you made the decision, how long did it take you to make this decision, and explain why it was a difficult decision.
Okay, so I think each and every decision nowadays is very difficult to make because it comes with consequences. Either it is positive or negative, yes, but we have to face it. So, the most difficult decision of my life was going to abroad. Like, I have to choose how should I approach for my higher studies after graduation, like from where I should do my masters. So I was so confused. I had to go through number of things. Like, I had to struggle a lot by choosing number of universities. Like, yes, I had lots of struggle that time, but at the final, I came to a decision that I should pursue my further studies from abroad because it can provide me more opportunities, higher exposure. So yes, it was the hardest decision of my life, as I have to leave my family for a while. Like, I have to go far from them. The connections will actually affect. So yes, it was the most difficult part of my life that I made a decision of that, and now I am working on that. This was the most difficult decision.
Okay, Bhavya, you spoke very well. There were some grammatical mistakes, but otherwise, you have very good confidence and your way of speaking is very good. So, all the best for your future. And to you guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.